In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your lights automatically at night on your Ring floodlight camera. So I have a property here and I just installed this Ring floodlight camera and I'm going through the installation process. I have power to the light, I got it wired up, and everything is good to go. So when you see the blue blinking light, what that means is it's ready for you to configure it, or it's currently being configured and it's doing a software update. I'm on this phone setting it up. It's a business phone on a business account. So what I want to do now is show you how, while it's doing the software updates, what are some of the features that I like. And a feature that I want to have on every camera that I use is I want the lights to turn on automatically at night and then turn off automatically at daytime. Okay, so here I am. You can see my camera is installing an update. I'm going to go ahead and go to the cog icon, and I'm going to go down to device schedules and then light schedules, and then make this very easy for you. Click add schedule and say, sure, I would love some help. Custom, I'm just going to call it night. Click continue, and you have the option of keeping the lights on. This says lights will stay on when this schedule is active. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue, and it defaults to start at dusk and end at dawn. So go ahead and click continue as well, and then click select all so that it's applied to every single day of the week. Then you're going to click continue and save schedule. And it's really that simple. So now at this point, my lights are going to turn on automatically at night and then turn off automatically in the morning. Just what I want. It's not going to turn on when there's movement. Rather, they're always going to constantly stay on. And in this type of area that I'm in currently with this property, I want the lights to constantly be on at nighttime. Behind me, there's an alleyway and people walk by it constantly at night, so I want to have my lights on consistently. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.